Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
What is the last remaining of this of the dome? When was it installed? Can you just explain to us?
The last couple of months it is going on.
Okay.
Still it is per day basis some activity on the dome is regularly going on.
So there was no crack during those last 2 months?
That was not.
Huh?
That was not observed.
That was not observed. Oh, there were reports that there was a pillar from the middle of the dome. Né? Why was it removed? Because it was
Actually, these are all the things we can't say at this moment like this type of comments.
Okay.
Some incident and happens. So everyone will come, government and others who has designed the same. We are only the executor.
Okay.
After that, findings will come out.
So who will do the investigation? The people coming
Then
from
all things you will get from the government. So I am telling you, maybe they are outside, few minutes back. If at this moment they are available, you can talk with them.
Okay. How long will it take now to remove those?
Everything is very initial stage. So at this moment nothing we can say. What will be the decision will come. Accordingly we will follow.
So how long will it take again to install the dome?
That also we can say what type of design will come.
Okay. It may not
depends.
be the same.
It maybe not same, maybe separate. So it depends on that. If at this moment I say anything, that should be fictitious.
Okay. Biang. Truck, huh?
That is crane. By this crane we have erected the dome numbers. Because height is very high, no? Manually it is not possible.
What is the length of the dome?
At this moment I can remember. So I have to see that.
No, you must be knowing.
I must be knowing, but I have to see.
So wasn't it thing like some said it was too heavy, that's what?
So I am telling you, this type of comments at this moment not possible to say.
No, they said the actual height was 65 meters and while the height of the minar is 13. So the weight of the dome is 70 tons, metric tons. So don't you think it must be heavy because of that?
This is the criteria of the designer
Okay.
who have designed this thing.
And who's the designer?
So there is some Delhi-based company.
Okay.
These are all rumors.
Okay.
That is not right. There is no any casualty. Actually, it has happened at midnight, no? So everyone left from what? So it was total chaos.